Good morning, Lions. I'm Carson.
And I'm Parker. Welcome to the last line report of the year.
To start the show, Maddie Schuler edited these highlights of the Pops concert that took place a few weeks ago.
Let's see it. Thanks for that, Maddie. And Carson, did you know that our very own Cruz Wilkinson made a segment highlighting the recent dance concert?
Oh, really? Let's see it. Thanks for those highlights, Cruz. Parker, did you make it out to the Powderpuff game 2 weeks ago?
I did, and I think Sydney and Jane put together a mic'd up segment from the game.
Let's see it.
This game is gonna go.
I think it's gonna go well. I have faith in my team, We're working right now. We're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. Just watch. Stay tuned.
Do you think we could pay you off to have us win the game?
I mean, it depends on how much we're offering you.
200?
Oof, I think you can do better than 200. Maybe 1,000. Yeah.
1,000? Yeah, he got it.
We're gonna win this. That's terrible. Everybody get a girl! Everybody get a girl! What?
They get all sides, and then she'll say hike again, then you step.
And then we go. Okay.
Yes, sir! Give me some, ladies! Give me some! Give me some! Give me some! Mason! Mason! Mason!
Put us in. Let's go.
Defense?
Yes.
All right, take out somebody. Take out somebody. Take out somebody. If they say no, tell them coach said it. On my mama, though. Oh, they rushed? Hey, they rushed! Hey, they rushed! Time out! Time out! Time out! Time out! Why would you throw that?
No, we don't have time to.
Get your hands off of me. It's a touchdown. Touchdown. Get out of there! Get out of there! We gotta get to the 20. Look, put it. If we don't get this, I'm transferring to SM. Man, she's the real MVP.
Yeah.
Come on. Issue with you real quick. Sir. Matter of fact, Sienna Lambert. And then you got Lux. Sienna Lambert.
You're gonna ball out. Yeah.
How are we gonna get that?
Move! Let's go! Move!
Ref, we know they paid you. 2,000 Legos. $2,000 Legos. We know they paid you. We know. Rooster, 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 rooster. bro. Get that camera on my face, bro. Rooster. Okay, rooster, rooster. Rooster, rooster, rooster.
That is not rooster. Get her, get her, get her.
Rooster just happened.
Thank you, Sydney and Jaden, and congrats to the sophomores on winning the Powderpuff. So Parker, do you like science experiments?
Not really.
Well, that's too bad because I know that Devin and Corinne put together a science experiment video.
Great, let's see it.
Today we're going to be doing a science experiment. So today, we're going to be making elephant toothpaste, and if you don't know what it is, then I'm not going to tell you, and you can just see, okay? And I'm going to rate it at the end and see if this is something that you should be doing at home. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is we're going to measure 1 cup, or half a cup, of hydrogen peroxide. That looks good. Okay, my next step as a scientist is to add my dish soap. Add a big squirt, so. Today I'm gonna aim for kind of this, like pink color. So I don't wanna do too much red. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water. I just messed it up. I messed it up. It's time for round 2, okay? We're back and we're better than ever, and I actually know how to do the experiment correctly this time, okay? Okay, for this round, I'm gonna be doubling the amount, or I don't know, basically doubling the amount of all the ingredients. So maybe it'll be a bigger explosion, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, well, there's our experiment. My name is Dr. Crinkwill, and I completely approve of this experiment. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was awesome. This was amazing, and look, you can make it your favorite color.
Thanks for that, Devin and Corinne.
So Carson, what's your favorite flavor of Pringles?
I would have to say the green one.
Well, you're in luck because Jordan Gross put together a Pringles challenge for us.
Let's see it.
Hi, I'm Marco,
Hi, I'm Diego.
and we're doing Guess That Pringle Challenge.
Wait, hold on, bro.
I get to say first.
Hey, no.
Do you eat it?
Hold on, bro.
Do you eat
Stop
it?
Oh my god.
I know it. Can I say it?
Wait, no, hold on. Who's gonna sing first?
I will. Sour cream.
No,
and
rock,
onion.
paper, scissors.
It's sour cream and onion.
papers. Pizza.
Wait, Diego, go get the next one.
It's there.
I know it.
Bro, where are the chips at? Barbecue.
Barbecue. That's easy.
I'll go first this time.
No, I got. Yeah, okay.
Bro, you just ate it. Oh! No, the first one is not the pizza. This is a pizza one.
Yeah, that's pizza.
This is the one with Is it the first one was the one with onions?
This one tastes like onions.
The one with cebolla, and this one is a pizza one.
What's cebolla?
Cebolla is onions in Spanish, bro.
Go get the last one.
Alright. Bro.
It's salt and vinegar.
Oh.
Where's the barbecue one?
You can smell the vinegar,
Can you get the
bro.
barbecue one?
Whoa. Where's the trash at?
Look.
Ugh. But what? Here what?
That's the best one. Eat it.
Oh. Adios.
Thanks, Jordan. Well, that wraps up our last episode of the Line Report for this year. We'd like to wish everyone good luck on their finals, and I'm Carson.
And I'm Parker. On behalf of everyone here at the Line Report, have a great summer, Lions. This has been
The Line Report.